Now, if you really want to attract a woman, then you have to become her desire so that she can't help but become attracted to you. Doing this properly will also help your endeavor to win her heart. But first, you need to understand what every girl's desire is, and that's what I'll be talking about. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the tips to attract women to you like a magnet. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification. The first thing is to have genuine kindness. Listen, you can't fake this because girls are definitely drawn to those who are kind-natured, and that means you have to make it genuine. When you're kind to others, it shows a girl what you'll be like to her. And this is a huge desire of all girls. Number 2 is generosity. And this isn't just generosity with your money or with gifts either. This is more about being generous as a whole. You willingly give up your time, attention, and affection to those who are close to you. Now, this kind of generosity is something many women seek and need in a healthy relationship. Number 3 is supportive behavior. Listen, every girl's desire is having a supportive partner. There's just something about having someone believe in you that makes you really feel connected to them. This automatically makes her feel more attracted to that person. Number 4 is excitement for her accomplishments. Now, in addition to being supportive, girls love someone who can be excited and happy when it comes to their accomplishments. Like when they get a promotion, finish a big project, or even on the small things. You see, having someone there to be happy about your success is something all girls desire. Number 5 is interest in her passions. Now, this doesn't mean every girl's desire is when a guy transforms all of his hobbies to match hers. Nope. This is when someone becomes interested in the things she's most passionate about. You see, knowing that her man sees her passion for those things and wants to learn more about them is a huge turn on that will eventually win her over. Number 6 is to be selfless. There are a lot of guys in this world who are very selfish. Their selfishness can go from them playing video games 24/7 or going out with their friends almost every day. You see, in order to be every girl's desire, you have to be selfless. Care about her needs just as much as you care about yours, if not more. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification.